to my channel, and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you an ingredient that you can easily boost your ovulation and increase your egg quality. You know, by so doing you are going to conceive and be happy. Okay guys, so these ingredients are very simple and they are actually ingredients that you can easily find. Okay, so this is cashew. This is cashew fruit. So what you do is that you be cutting this cashew fruit. Check whether she will eat that food so that her belly is like this. So I'm gonna be putting that into a blender, and then you're equally going to be needing some pineapple. Okay, now you want to increase your egg quality, you need a whole lot of pineapple. Okay, so after that I'm going to be transferring that into a blender also. Okay guys, so I have this half cut of apple left, and this is what I'm gonna be using. So I'm going to be transferring it into a bigger blender, and so I can blend everything together. So I'm going to go blend. Alright guys, so now we're going to be straining the juice out. So after that, then we'll have to be putting this in. So we need some egg, of course some boiled egg. Okay, so I'm supposed to just blend this egg, but since my little blender is just messing me up today, I can't just blend it. Yeah, so that's why I want to mash it. Okay, so I'm going to put egg inside this drink. Amen. Hey guys, so you want to actually increase the production of your egg and have a healthy egg to be able to conceive, guys. Well, for me, I would have just loved to blend everything together and so it could actually mix well, but since my very small blender is giving me ish right now, I can't use the big blender to blend just one egg. So you're going to be blending everything together, and this is how it is. This is how it's going to be like. Okay guys, so for this particular one, guys, you don't need to store it, especially when you put the egg inside. What you do is that you're going to make the juice and then you're going to store it. Whenever you want to drink it, you pour it inside a cup. You boil one egg, blend this and put it inside, or you put one egg in the blender, turn the juice and blend everything together, and then it becomes very smooth, and then you drink it. You drink it every blessed day. Okay, it's an everyday drink, you know, to improve your egg quality, and it's going to also improve your skin quality because it's literally going to help to boost your skin and keep you healthy and keep you rejuvenated. Yeah, so let me have a take of this. Wow, this is really nice. So there's no harm in trying, guys. Why not go give this a try? And for me, I'm heavily loaded. You can see my belly like I'm pregnant. Okay, so it's actually a very good drink, okay, and it's gonna help you. So there's nothing wrong in trying, so go give this a try. I'm sure it's gonna be helpful. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and share, and I'll see you again. Love ya. Bye.